Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bomb Kitchen. Today I am making Thanksgiving special eggless pumpkin donuts. This is easy to make and very tasty. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications. I am taking 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, maida, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/2 cup pumpkin spice. Mix it well. Take another bowl. I am taking 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2/3 cup powdered sugar, 1/3 cup desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon melted ghee or clarified butter. You can also use melted butter. Now mix them properly. Mix it into all-purpose flour mix. Now add 1/2 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. I am using my hand now. We have to make some balls. Size is totally up to you. Our donuts are ready to fry. Let's heat up the oil. Keep the flame on high to medium to heat up the oil. Here I have taken 1 cup of oil and 1/2 cup of ghee or clarified butter. Let's check the oil if it is hot. Yes, oil is hot enough. Now keep the flame on medium to low and wait for few minutes. Okay, now let's fry them. I will fry them in 2 batches because I am making 14 pieces of donuts. Fry them on both sides till they turn golden. Flip them other side carefully. One batch is done. Let me take them out. Put them in a kitchen paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Our fried donuts are ready. Now I am taking 2 tablespoon powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice. We'll mix it well. Now coat the donuts one by one into this powder. Hope you like this yummy pumpkin donuts recipe. Try to make it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.